Tutorial for peach blossom tassels, which can be used as hair clips, hair ties, or brooches. First, crochet the orange flower core using an adjustable magic ring. Starting with a chain stitch, crochet 6 single crochets into the loop. 1, 2, 6. Tighten the loop and switch to light pink yarn. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Tighten the yarn tail, make 1 chain stitch, work into the front loop only, and crochet 2 single crochets into each stitch. 1, 2. This is a single crochet increase, SC2 in 1. Repeat for the next 5 stitches. After completing the round, join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. For the third round, make 1 chain stitch, working into the front loop only. Crochet a single crochet in the first stitch, then a single crochet increase, SC2 in 1, in the second stitch. First group completed. Crochet a single crochet in the third stitch, then a single crochet increase, SC2 in 1, in the fourth stitch. Second group completed. Repeat this pattern for the remaining stitches, then join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. For the bottom petal, make 3 chain stitches first, then crochet 1 treble crochet into the first stitch. One treble crochet, 3 chain stitches. Slip stitch into the first chain's back loop only. This forms a CH1 picket, chain 1 picket. Then crochet 1 treble crochet into the next stitch. CH1 picket, chain 1 picket. 1 treble crochet, 3 chain stitches. Slip stitch into the second stitch position. 1 petal completed. Slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. Make 3 chain stitches to start the second petal, using the same method as the first petal. Work into the front loop only of the pink stitches from round 2. First, make 2 chain stitches. Same as the first stitch, start with 1 double crochet, 1 treble crochet, CH2 picket, chain 2 picket. Into the second stitch, start with 1 double crochet, CH2 picket, chain 2 picket. One treble crochet, two chain stitches. Slip stitch into the next stitch. First small petal completed. Make 2 chain stitches to start the second petal using the same method. For the flower center, work into the front loop only of round 1, and make 3 chain stitches. Starting from the second chain from hook, work 2 slip stitches back. One flower center completed. Slip stitch into the next stitch. Make 3 chain stitches and work the next flower center. Work the leaf, first make a beginning chain. 8 chain stitches. Starting from the second chain from hook, work slip stitches back. Single crochet, half double crochet. Double crochet. half double crochet, single crochet, work 1 slip stitch in the last stitch, 1 chain, another slip stitch. Complete the remaining half symmetrically, and work the flower branch. First make a beginning chain, 12 chain stitches. Starting from the 6th chain from hook, work 2 slip stitches back. Work 10 chain stitches. Also slip stitch in the 6th chain from hook. Turn and slip stitch in the next stitch. Work 8 chain stitches. 1 branch is completed. Adjust the length of the other 2 branches as needed when working the petals. Work 4 chain stitches. Work 2 incomplete double crochets. 1. Yarn over and pull through all loops to lock 1 stitch. Pick up the front 3 strands and slip stitch. Work 2 more incomplete double crochets. 1. Yarn over and pull through all loops, then work 4 chain stitches. Slip stitch. Lock 1 stitch, cut the yarn, and hide the yarn tail into the back side of the petal. Adjust the number of chains, at the beginning and end as needed.